Good day everyone! For today's video, we will be discussing or we will be defining body composition. Body composition means. So body composition means the makeup of your body. It is what your body is made of. It shows how much of your body is made up of fat and how much is made up of other things like muscles, bones, organs, and water. So, your body is made up of two types of fat in the body. So, it is the essential body fat and the storage body fat. So, your body fat can be found in muscle tissues, under the skin, or around the organ. Now, let's discuss the two kinds of fat. First, the essential body fat. So, what is the essential body fat? So, this is the good fat that your body needs to survive. So, it helps protect your organs like your heart and liver. It stores energy so you can move and think. It also balances hormones which control many things in your body like growth and mood. So that is what the essential body fat is. Next is the storage body fat. So this is the fat that your body keeps in case it needs extra energy later. Some of it is okay, but too much storage body fat can be unhealthy. It can lead to problems like heart disease or diabetes if it builds up too much. So, there are parts of your body that are not fat. So, it's called lean tissue. This includes the muscles, bones, water, organs like the heart, liver, and lungs. So, lean tissue is very important because it's metabolically active, which means it burns calories and gives you energy. This is different from fat, which just stores energy and does not help burn calories. Now, let's proceed to the importance of body composition. So, why is body composition is important? So, knowing your body composition is more helpful than just looking at your weight. So, two people might weigh the same, but one may have more muscle while the other has more fat. So, muscles are heavier than fat but healthier for your body. By understanding your body composition, you can know if you are healthy, see if you need more exercise or better food choices, and also it tracks your progress if you're trying to lose fat or build muscle. So, body composition is about knowing how much of your body is fat and how much is lean tissue. So, keeping a good balance between fat and lean tissue is important for your overall health. So, there are different things that can change or affect the shape and makeup of your body, and these are called factors. So, there are four important factors that can influence your body composition, which means how much fat, muscles, bones, and water are in your body. So, the following factors that influence your body compositions are: first, the age. So, as people get older, they usually start to lose muscle and gain more fat. So, this is normal as we grow older. The second one is the sex. Girls and women naturally have more body fat than boys and men. This is because the way their bodies are made. The third one is the genes. So these are things you get from our parents and family. Some people are born to be lean or thin, while others may easily gain fat. It depends on their genes. Lastly is the hormones. So these are special chemicals in our body that control many things like growth, mood, and how much water or fat the body keeps. Hormones can change how our body is shaped or how it works. So age, sex, genes, and hormones all play a big role in how our body looks and functions.
Hello and good day to each and everyone. I am City Shiny K Kindo, second reporter of this group, and my topic is body fat percentage and methods of measuring body fat percentage. And today, I'll be discussing something that plays a big role in our overall health and fitness, and that is the body fat percentage, or what we call the BFP. So, mahalaga na alam natin yung body fat percentage natin, not just for us who wants or who tries to lose weight, but also for anyone who wants to stay healthy. And now let us define what is body fat percentage. So, body fat percentage is the percentage of your total body weight that is made up of fat. And it tells you how much of your body is fat versus lean mass. So, in simple words, ang body fat percentage ay ang percentage ng taba or fat sa katawan ng isang tao. Ibig sabihin, kung 100% ang buong timbang mo, so ilang porsyento doon ang fats or taba. So, halimbawa, kung ang timbang ng isang tao is nasa 60 kilos at ang 12 kilos doon is taba or fats, so ang body fat percentage niya is 20%. And the rest of the body weight that is not fat is called lean mass, and that includes lean mass includes our muscles, our bones, our organs, and everything else. But hindi ibig sabihin na mas mababa yung timbang natin or weight is mas kaunti agad ang taba or fat sa katawan natin. So, may mga tao rin na payat, yung mga taong payat tingnan pero mataas naman ang body fat percentage nila. And may mga tao rin na mabibigat pero mas maraming muscles compared sa fat sa katawan nila. So, basically, BFP or body fat percentage helps us to understand how much fat we are carrying compared to our entire body weight. And ang part ng katawan natin na hindi fat ay tinatawag na lean mass. So, as I mentioned earlier, kasama dito ang muscles natin, ang bones, and ang organs natin, at iba pa. Habang ang fat mass naman ay ang kabuuang dami ng fat sa body natin. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang body fat percentage? So, mahalaga ang body fat percentage kasi hindi lahat ng tao na mabigat ay unhealthy na agad. And hindi rin naman lahat ng payat is healthy din. So, kapag sobrang taas ng fat sa katawan natin is pwedeng tumaas yung chances na magkaroon tayo ng unang-una yung high blood pressure. Second is diabetes, and pwede rin tumaas yung chances na sumakit yung magkaroon tayo ng sakit sa puso. Pero kapag masyado rin naman na mababa yung fats natin is especially sa mga kababaihan is pwedeng magka-problema naman tayo sa ating hormones at menstruation natin. And now, let us move on to the ACE or American Council on Exercise. So, according to the American Council on Exercise, body fat percentage can be grouped into different categories. So, ang first here is yung essential fat. So, yung essential fat is this is the minimum amount of fat that body needs to function properly. So, for women, it is around it ranges around from 10 to 13%, and for men naman it is around 2 to 5%. And second is athletes. So, athletes are individuals who are very active and have low levels of fat. So, for women, it usually range from 14 to 20%, and for men naman is 6 to 13%. Next is fitness. So, this level is considered healthy and fit. So, for women it ranges about 21 to 24%, and for men naman is 14 to 70%. So, next is yung acceptable. Acceptable is still within a healthy range, but on the higher end. So, women here are around 25 to 31%, and men naman is around 18 to 24%. And lastly is yung obese. So, this means a person is carrying too much fat. And for women, this is over 32%, and for men naman is over, it is over 25%. And kung lalagpas na sa obese level is mas tataas na yung risk natin sa mga sakit na nabanggit kanina, like yung diabetes, high blood pressure, and sakit sa puso, at I believe marami pang iba. So, now that we are already familiar about the body fat percentage at gaano ito kahalaga, so now naman pag-usapan natin yung kung paano ba ito sinusukat. Let's talk about the methods of measuring body fat percentage. So, meron tayong iba't ibang ways para masukat ang ating body fat percentage. There are several methods with its pros and cons, and some are simple and inexpensive, and others that are accurate and advanced naman. So, first example is the skin fold caliper. So, skin fold caliper measures fat under the skin using a pinch test. It is simple, affordable, and has about 3% margin of error. So, ang skin caliper is isa sa mga I believe pinaka simple at madalas gamitin lalo na sa gym and even sa school and sa non-clinical settings. Paano ba ito ginagawa? So, gumagamit tayo dito ng caliper or yung parang maliit na pang-ipid. So, para masukat yung kapal ng fat sa balat natin sa ilang part ng katawan, like ng tiyan natin, ng arms, ng our back and our thigh or hita. So, pagkatapos kunin yung sukat nito is ilalagay naman ito sa formula para makuha yung yung body fat percentage. So, ang kagandahan ng skin fold caliper is unang-una mura siya, and second is mabilis siyang gawin, and third is hindi ito masakit or hindi ito siya invasive, and lastly is may 3% margin of error kung tama ang pagkakagawa. Pero tandaan din natin na kailangan ng tamang training yung gumagamit ng caliper para para makuha yung accurate na resulta, kasi if yung tao na gumagamit nito is hindi siya trained or skilled, then the results might not be reliable. And second example is the bioelectrical impedance or BIA. So, bioelectrical impedance sends a safe electrical current through the body. So, available in smart scales and gym devices. So ito yung ginagamit, yung bioelectrical impedance is ito yung ginagamit sa mga digital weighing scales or handheld device na may metal plates. So, yung ways nito na parang pag gumana is it works by sending a small and harmless electrical current through our body. So, mas mahirap daanan ng kuryente or electrical current ang fats compared sa muscle. So, by resistance na nade-detect or nalalaman kung gaano karami ang fats natin in our body. So, ang kagandahan nito, ang pros nito is unang-una is madali siyang gamitin. Second is available sa maraming gym or sa bahay lang. And ang cons naman nito is hindi siya ganun ka-accurate. So, kung ikaw ay dehydrated or bagong kain pa lang or may ibang conditions, is possible na magbago yung result nito. It depends sa oras or condition ng body natin. And next. So, next is the third example is the hydrostatic weighing. So, hydrostatic weighing measures body fat based on underwater weight and accurate but not commonly available. So, yung hydrostatic weighing naman is considered na napaka-accurate method to measure our body fat percentage, but also a very complicated method. So, bakit? So, this method involves being weighed underwater. So, since yung fats natin is nag-float more than muscle, and yung difference ng weight in water and on land can help calculate our body fat percentage. Kaya nga na-mention na this method is very accurate but not commonly ginagamit because it requires special equipment and can be uncomfortable for some people. So, yung problema dito ang problema dito is unang-una is mahirap siyang gawin, and pangalawa is hindi siya ganun ka-available sa karamihang lugar. And lastly, last example is the DEXA scan. So, DEXA scan or ayun nga, so DEXA scan or dual energy X-ray absorptiometry is it uses X-ray to give a detailed body composition scan and most accurate but expensive and used in clinics. So ang DEXA scan or dual energy X-ray absorptiometry is considered to be the most accurate or pinaka-accurate na method ngayon to measure our BFP or body fat percentage. And it uses low-level X-rays to scan our body and provide detailed results, including fat distribution and even bone density. So maganda ito kapag gusto mo ng sobrang detalyadong or detailed na resulta. So resulta ng body fat percentage natin. So maganda rin ito kapag may access ka sa medical facility. So ang downside naman dito is ang Delta X-ray is napaka-mahal and kadalasan ginagamit lang siya sa hospitals or research centers. And that are the 4 examples on methods of measuring our body fat percentage. So once again, I am CT Shiny K. Kindo, second reporter of this group, and that ends my topic.
Good day everyone, I'm Ara Langban and I just want to talk about body mass index or a BMI and the calories.
Body mass index or BMI, it's all about a person's weight as it relates to their height. BMI is indicate if you may be underweight, healthy weight, or overweight or obese. BMI is an estimate of body fat. It is not the only indicator of overall health. BMI is linked to race for many conditions, includes diabetes and heart disease. So, paano ba natin makukuha ang BMI natin? So, ito ang kailangan gawin. Kailangan kunin ang height and weight. For example, ang height is 152 centimeters. It's equivalent of 1.52 meters. And times into 2. It's equal to 2.32 meters. And the next is weight is 60 kilograms. So now divide weight into height. So 60 divided by 2.31, it's equal to 25.95, and that's your BMI result. The next one is, ano nga ba ang calories? So ang calories ay ito yung energy na nakukuha natin mula sa kinakain nating food. It's about the measurement for energy, especially the amount of needed and the temperature. So why is calories are important? So basically, kailangan ng katawan natin ng energy mula sa calories para mag-work properly ang katawan ng isang tao. So, your body uses this function. Your body uses calories to function properly. That's it po. Thank you.